Chia, what are you doing? Okay, seriously, people? All right, I'm going to show you the goats. I'm going to show you the turtles. I'm going to show you the artists. I'm going to take you all around here at Two Goats, but we can't start here. No. All right, we're going to have to rewind. Here we go. We are go in 3, 2, wait. I forgot something. So, I'm not going to show you too much of my talking face. What I'm going to do is show you the artists here at Two Goats Pottery during East 2019. I'm going to show you the goats. I'm going to show you the tortoise, El Chapo. I'm going to show you the food, and we'll end on a little bit of music. So why don't I just start now? Come on. Everyone, say hello to Odie. Hi, Odie. He'll probably meet you right here at the front gate as you come in, which, if you missed us this year, you're going to have to come see us in 2020. Over here on the left, we've got the art of Leticia Mascara. And these paintings in the traditional style are incredible, much larger than I thought they were going to be. Wow. And of course, returning favorite, maker of mandalas and mermaids, maker of night owls and longhorns. Seriously, I love this high contrast style of the one and only Deidre Macadam. This here is the sculpture by Larsen. He brought this, I've been calling it Ground Zero. In fact, Mark was calling it Ground Zero too. Seriously, you just have to walk around it, and when you see it at night, it glows. Seriously, it glows. Next up, we've got the figurative, abstract, and of course, political paintings of Juliana Melier. Now, while most people buy the figurative ones, our personal favorites were of course the striking political pieces. Side note, her organization gets children together from around the world to talk about and study space. I did want to briefly show the rice paper and watercolor paintings of Kate Torres. She joined us this year along with Juliana, and it's very difficult to work with rice paper, by the way. So much respect for the art that she has created here. And of course, here we have the paintings of Deidre Macadam. This is actually one of the only places you will see her paintings because her friends buy them so fast that she can rarely put them up for sale. But soon she will have a website where you can see that. Until then, here's her East card. Now we caught Suzanna Haddad coming straight off of one of her murals right here in Austin, Texas. Her symbolic style, mixed with very specific color palettes, easily makes her art stand out. And yes, the mural she just created overlooks downtown from the top of an apartment building. It's really awesome. And Two Goats is filled with the ceramic sculptures, the pottery, the paintings, inspired by Jennifer Conroy's travels, as well as inspired by, of course, Chia and Millie, our favorite goats on the entire planet. Let's show you actually the pottery up close, because she will press leaves from the local neighborhood into these. These are actually from here. And then, of course, she's got her prints lined up here, and the large ones. This is wild on the Zimbazi right here. I'm probably mispronouncing that. But again, these come through her travels. That's where these are inspired by. And there's one more right here from Thailand. Seriously, so awesome. And do not sleep on the food. It will go fast. The mold warm wine by Deb, that will be gone within 1 to 2 hours. Get some chili, get some pozole, wash your dishes, take care of everything, and then come into the backyard and join us with the goats and the tortoise. Get yourself warm around the fire. Come see the fractals I've set up. Most of this is in collaboration with Sessa Pure, where I was able to put my fractals on the different boxes with tea in them. And of course, burnt orange chai right there in the tins. My favorite. That's the stuff we were sampling, which you can come get for free. We're probably going to do that next year as well. And then back here, Chia herself. But El Chapo. That's right, our little escape artist. Not so little anymore. Seriously, he has grown. There you go. That's right, Chapo. Get yourself a carrot. But it was great. The sun came out and he came out to join us. But of course, everyone comes for the goats. Speaking of everyone, this is when the day's getting a little more warmed up. More and more people are showing up because seriously, it will get packed all throughout here. Now, before the goats eat all of our firewood as well as the jeans. We need to get it lit. They will eat through the plastic bags and eat the wood itself. So you do need to get the fire lit, and because they love the smell of smoke and the taste of smoke, they'll go ahead and chew on the firewood as it's starting to burn. Oh yeah, I do not joke. Miss Millie here, by the way, was entertaining her public the entire weekend. Chia was taking a little bit of time off. Yeah, she was slacking a little bit. I'll go ahead and end it here with a few members from my education jamming out exclusive music.